So today we're gonna install a water filter, the BG3000C, and here's the faucet. All right, this sink doesn't have a hole, so what I'll do, I'm gonna drill one right here, and under the sink I'm gonna change that angle stop. That's a 1/2 inch angle stop, and I will replace it with double quarter turn 3/8. By code you have to have angle stop, a shutoff valve for each, for faucet and also for the water filter. So if the water filter broke or faucet, you can turn it off and you still have water in the other, the faucet or the water filter. Okay, so I had to turn the water off, the main water off, so that way we can replace that angle stop. So for better access, you can take the doors out. This is an adapter from 1/2 inch to 3/8. The water supply line doesn't need a Teflon tape because it has this rubber gasket. And you don't want to tighten it too much either. Okay, so the bottom angle stop is gonna control the faucet, which now is on. And this one right here is gonna control the water filter. And then I have this adapter, 3/8 to 1/4 inch. Because the angle stop, I didn't have one that's 1/4 inch and I had a 3/8. I'm gonna have to use this adapter. And this adapter, I would like to use a Teflon tape. This is clockwise. Make sure you put this gasket in here, the white gasket. Tighten it by hand. And then 1/4 turn with the crossing wrench. Okay, now we're gonna do the water filter. We've come with the Teflon tape already, which is nice. You don't want to tighten it too much because that's plastic and can break. So this is in, that's the flow, in and out. All right. You want to install it somewhere where it's easy access so you can replace the filter. So we're not gonna need this shutoff valve because we already have, you know, in the angle stop, which is this one right here. Okay, they give you a couple more adapters, which we don't need it right now. So this is a 1/2 inch drill bit. I'm gonna do it right here in the corner. This faucet comes with this plate, which we're not gonna use. We have no space for it. But what are we gonna use? We're gonna have to use this O-ring. So this O-ring needs to get in there. And you can have it this way. So you want to put those locking clips so that prevents the hose to come out when it's under pressure. So see, the hose is not going to come out. Okay, same thing up here where the faucet is. Now we're gonna have to look for an easy rod to run this water supply line. So this is going out. So it's going out. So this basically goes to the faucet up here. And now we're gonna connect it from the angle stop to the filter, the in. Okay, so that's in. So that's what I'm gonna use for the adapter, or that water supply line. It's gonna go into that adapter. We're gonna use this 1/4 inch OD tubing. That's for the blue tubing. You don't want to use the brass one. This is made for the copper. This is gonna cut into the tubing and it's gonna leak. That's why you want to use the plastic one. Usually put it against something hard and just push it all the way in. So you see all that brass went all the way in. And now we're gonna connect it to this 1/4 inch adapter. You don't want to tighten it too much. You want to write a date on it so that way you can keep track. So this, it's good for like about 450 gallons. That's the capacity, like about a year. So almost done. This right here, it's the time strip. So it has this little bubble in the back, and you want to press it really hard to activate it. And now you have this black line at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. So when this line reaches all the way up to the 12, that's 12 months, and the line will be red, that's time to replace your filter. Alright, so I'm gonna place this right here, right next to the filter. That's an easy access and you can see it. Alright, I'm gonna turn the water on. I'm gonna put some clamps to kind of keep those water tubing away. Alright, and then you want to let the water flush for about 5 minutes. See, in the beginning it's dark, it's that charcoal. You can collect the water if you want it. I'm gonna let it run for 5 minutes. These are the clips for the 1/4-inch tubing. Put those clips, keep it nice and secure. And the water, I think it's really ready to drink. Tastes really good. Good luck.